What's up guys, today we are looking at the Timex Expedition watch. This is the Indiglow with 50-meter water resistance. This is not the original strap. Originally it had like a plastic clasp here with cloth type straps, like a normal strap, not this Velcro type one. Just to go over some of the specs. The case diameter is 37.12 mils. The dial color is beige, glow in the dark hands. It has analog and digital display. The weight is about 500 grams. The model number says here is MF12, but let me check the back. So there's the back of it there. It says that you need CR2016L battery. Doesn't say anything about the model number itself. But it has a backlight, alarm, stopwatch, and I think it has, well, you can set 2 time zones if you want. Like you can have the analog as one and the digital as another. The movement is quartz. The crystal material is supposed to be mineral, and there's quite a large scratch here. This used to be my everyday watch. The old strap was not as good. There was the plastic things that kind of move around and they catch a lot of dirt. I think I broke one when I tried to clean it. And the cloth also wasn't that great. It would kind of the threads would kind of fall apart from, you know, using it. There's this compass dial. I think it was, you point it in between the hands, but I can't remember if it's north or south facing the sun, and you can find where north is. Let's open it up and put in a new battery. So this is the old battery that I got out of it a while. So it's the CR2016, and we're going to replace the battery. Okay, so I need a new battery. The battery here. Okay. How does this go in? Does that flap go up? I presume it sits in between those two. Can I slip the battery underneath? Hopefully it's this way. Yeah, we have power. Let me screw this in first. I don't have my magnetic screws. Finally. Okay, let me put the cap back on. Goes in this way. These screws are bigger, so it should be easier. There we have it. Okay, just this. What time is it? It's 4:05. It's working. Alarm. 24-hour TR. What's that? 24-hour timer. I'm not sure. That's the time, alarm, lap. Oh, there's the second time zone. I think that's the, how do I set? What do I use this set? Okay, that didn't work. Four. Six. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, hang on. I want to switch it to 24-hour mode. Oh. Let's use these two buttons. This is the year. $22. Is that the month? Or is that the day first? 25. No, this is the month. 11. $25th. Oh, that's the Monday, so today is Saturday. Switch to 24 hours. Ah, that's 4 a.m. Let me go back. Should be 16. So yeah, that's it set. Just switch this, yeah. Alarm, you set your alarm. 24-hour TR. Actually, the backlight doesn't work anymore, I think. Oh, it does. I don't know if you can see that. It's very faint. Let me switch off the light and see if you can see it. So there it is. You just hold it. It's not bad. Oh, I held it for too long. Ah, if you press it once, then it holds. Yeah, that's working surprisingly. Let me see this track. Oh, this is a 24-hour timer, I guess. If you're hiking or whatever. I guess it's useful for that. I've never used it. How do you reset it? Okay. Split. Go. Just runs like that. Stop. 15. No idea what that means. Let's do split. Go. 5 seconds. Should be 10. Can I now see it running? Oh, this is running. So it should be 20 seconds. It's what, 17? 10? I have no idea. Anyway, the time function works. Let me put the strap back on at least. Okay. There we have it. Timex Expeditition. It's back up and running. This looks a bit off. Yeah, it's solid. Alright, that's it. That's the Timex Expedition analog digital watch. It still works after all these years. Still looks battered, but it still works. Alright, if you have any comments, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.